Have you ever paused to ponder, what exactly does it mean to be alive? What distinguishes a living organism from an inanimate object? Puzzling, isn't it? Well, buckle up because today we're going to dive deep into this fascinating topic. Life, as we know it, is a complex and multifaceted concept. It's not just about having a heartbeat or the ability to move. Life or living is a state of being characterized by certain characteristics that distinguish living organisms from non-living entities. The first characteristic that comes to mind is growth. All living organisms grow. From the tiniest bacteria to the largest whale, every living thing increases in size and complexity during its lifespan. However, growth isn't limited to physical size. Living organisms also undergo metabolic processes. Metabolism is the sum of all the chemical reactions happening within an organism's body. It's how we convert food into energy, how we grow, and how we repair ourselves. Another key characteristic of living organisms is reproduction. Whether through sexual or asexual means, all living organisms have the ability to produce offspring. This process ensures the continuity of life and the survival of the species. One of the most fascinating characteristics of living organisms is their ability to respond to stimuli. This means that living organisms can sense changes in their environment and react accordingly. This could be as simple as a plant bending towards the light, or as complex as a human responding to a thought or emotion. Living organisms also possess a certain degree of organization. From the cellular level to the organism as a whole, there's a level of order and structure that's unique to living beings. Lastly, living organisms have the ability to adapt. Through the process of evolution, organisms change over time in response to their environment. This adaptation is what has allowed life to survive and thrive on this planet. Now let's summarize what we've discussed. Living or life is characterized by growth, metabolism, reproduction, response to stimuli, organization, and adaptation. These characteristics differentiate living organisms from non-living entities. It's a complex and multifaceted concept that continues to fascinate scientists and philosophers alike. But remember, this is just scratching the surface. The concept of life is still a mystery in many ways, and there's much more to learn and discover. So keep wondering, keep questioning, and most importantly, keep living, because that's what life is all about. Thank you for joining in this exploration of what it means to be alive. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the living world.